Next we have the Dionysian, which solidified between 1300 and 600 BCE, and also lasted into the 4th century CE. These rites celebrated Dionysus, the god of wine, fertility, and ecstatic transformation. The Dionysian Mysteries centered around the myth of Dionysus and his mythic death and rebirth. In this story, the death of Dionysus was actualized by the Titans, a powerful race of deities who ruled the cosmos before the Olympians. The Dionysian rites dramatized the soul's fragmentation and reintegration, echoing the death of Dionysus and his eventual rebirth. Nocturnal ceremonies featured intoxicating wine mixed with botanicals, known as trema, along with frenzied dance, theatrical performance, and trance. Women played central roles, entering ecstatic states that temporarily dissolved social identity, engaging in sacred madness. The bull, a fertility symbol tied to lunar, seasonal, and astrological cycles, was a key sacrificial emblem. The Dionysian Mysteries used bull horns as sacramental cups to symbolize the raw vitality and sacred madness of Dionysus, whose divine essence was often associated with the bull as a vessel of ecstatic power and transformation. Though more ecstatic and chaotic than the Eleusinian rites, the Dionysian Mysteries shared core elements of dramatic reenactment, symbolic death and rebirth, and the promise of spiritual renewal. To summarize thus far, the mysteries of Eleusis offered stability through sacred order, while those of Dionysus offered transcendence through divine chaos. Their difference lies not in opposing goals, but in complementary paths to the same mystery. The Dionysian Mysteries heavily influenced the later Orphic Mysteries, as well as more contemporary traditions like Neoplatonism, Gnosticism, Christian sacramental thought, and Renaissance occultism, echoing ecstasy, theatrical ritual, and transformation through vision. Thank you for watching. Find more at joinseek.org.